only takes me 5 minutes to put a ticket on.
How do you want to do that?
Because that's my job.
We found the horn! Wow. Right, job one, we've got a naughty portion. Fun fact, 9, 11, if you know, you know. But right, job one's done. Oh, locked itself. Looking good in there. Happy days. Walking down Warwick Road to see Matt Busby's second job of the day at one of the best grounds in the UK. Hopefully you don't want these cheese balls because they're going in the bin. Oh, a bit of snotty tissues, man, just what we love. To see Matt Busby's aces. What are these United chips in? Not bad, are they? No. Just a little scatty gaff, but we'll take it. United. What's that?
Do you have a permit for this vehicle? No. Permit for your vehicle?
No, just here cleaning this car. I have 10 minutes.
Only takes me 5 minutes to put a ticket on.
How do you want to do that?
Because that's my job. And I will leave you alone. Are you recording me as well?
I'm recording what I'm doing, but unfortunately you stopped me while I was recording, so yeah. And the final touches, this one was a maintenance valet.
I think this is signed by Pele.
It's mad. I'd happily have that in my room. Last job of the day. Oh shit. Whoa. Yeah, we'll have it looking fresh for you. We found the horn. Wow.
Never done that before.
One wipe. Well, that is the end of the video, guys. So if you've liked what you've seen today and you're at this point of the video, make sure you drop a follow because there's loads more to come. Oh, no way has this happened. We've got pre-wash on the car as well. First job of the day, we're down in Middleton. This is in for £150 deep clean. Give it a nice steam. Yeah, she thought we'd finished, so no, we're not that good. Been here 5 minutes. So now the car's had the steam clean, little hoover, we're just going to go around and wipe everywhere up. Now it's time for the outside. So job one's done, a little preview. Get rid of that. Looking good in there, on to the next. Job number 2, we're down at the Golden Cup in Ardwick. Dirty golfing for the deep clean. What did you say? Deep clean, once a day, once a month. You what?
I know.
We're all sorted if you all come have a look. Oh, lovely. Let's have a look in.
I feel like
online banking.
Yeah, if that's alright. Right, third job of the day. We're a maintenance client who gets in with us once a month. We used to Tesla up and the range. So this is what our maintenance clients' cars look like. Hoover, wipe down, and then we've got the Tesla. Let's see if the Tesla's is unlocked. Been in the Louis shop. So we've decided Sean's going to take on the Tesla, I'm going to take on the Range. But yeah, nice one for the brew. Last job of the day, there's no rush. So we're hoping that we just tripped over the wire, because if it hasn't, the Kranzel is pickled. So fingers crossed, man, let's go. Ah, no way has this happened. It's looking good. Maintenance car to the Tesla. And that's the day done. And Sean's just drying off the range now. Drop a follow if you like what you see. We'll see you on the next one. Back in action, no snow. Oi, oi. First job of the day. First job of the year completed. We've got the new van, fresh whip. Let's get it. Put me a comment if you like working with these extensions. Right, job number 2, 5 to 12. We've got a deep clean on this dirty girl. So we've got to give it the full shebang. And there we go. Seats have been washed and vacked. Everywhere's been steam cleaned. It's looking like a new van. Yeah, it's alright. Third job of the day. And we got a Mini. Who's this?
This is Tiago.
Tiago. Let's have a look. So this one's in for the maintenance for it. But oh, there's everything in the van gone. Starting the day at 8:02, being a mobile detailer. It's a busy day, let's get it guys. Right, so job 1, we're down in Charlton. I'm on my own today. Sean's luckily enough got a little trip out to Disneyland Paris. We've got a nice Skoda, so let's get cracking. We're going to take the mats out. We always like to move the chairs forward so you can get right underneath. Start from the back, move to the front. Today I'm going to be doing the wiping and the hoovering, so we might just go door by door. So yeah, let's get it guys. Put them in the boot. Give them some racing stripes, you know the one. Locked in. Oh, nice one, fella. Oh, thank you. You're a star, man. That's all I love.
What's your name?
I'm Johnny.
Johnny.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, mate.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
You
Johnny.
too, bro.
Yeah. So if you need anything, just...
Yeah, perfect. I'll next time you see it, it'll be looking brand new.
Cheers, bro.
Happy days. Thank you. Brewing some bickies. Get in. Oh, that's 10/10 service. Right, well that's job 1 done. We're on to the next. Give you a little preview. Nice one for today.
Yes, bro. Could you check if you got the money?
Yeah, perfect. Job 1 completed, and I left the drying towels at home. So typically I've got to spin it home and get the drying towels. 20 minutes away, not too bad. Only round the corner from the job after. So oh, there's everything in the van gone. Right, well, we'll see you in the next job guys. Right, Right, job number 2, we're here. We've got another Skoda. So it must be a Skoda kind of day. Sid booked in for a deep clean. Right, quick little update of job 2. You've seen at the start. So we steam clean the seats, steam clean the floors, give the full deep clean of the car. Starting to look a brand new car again. So I know the customer's going to be happy with this one. Couple little things that need wiping. But before I forget, like I did on the last one, just to give you an update, I just thought I'd show you a quick time. So if you're liking what you see, make sure you drop a follow, because there's going to be loads more content like this. And yeah, happy for you to join the team, guys. See you soon. Right, second job of the day done. It's just started raining, but we managed to get it looking brand new again. Only a quick preview because I don't want to get it wet. The customer's happy, we're happy. On to the next. Hopefully they don't cancel because of the weather. We'll have to see what happens. Stay tuned. Just got to the first job and it's hammering it down. It was 2 on the deep clean, sorry, on both. But I want to give him the best job, so I've just said I'll come back tomorrow. It is what it is. Sometimes you can't win them all. So now we go to the unit and see Devontae and the guys. We've got a little one to finish off. We've got a bit of a movie to make, so stay tuned. We're still going. We're not going to let it ruin the day. Right, disappointing, but it is what it is. So final job of the day. We've been working on this for like 2-3 days. I've helped out the boys. They had a full detail spray job on the door. We've polished it, we've refined it, we've gloss enhancement, we've coated it. We're gonna give it a full clean now, inside and out, down at Advanced Auto Body Solutions down in Salford. So make sure you give these guys a follow. Stay tuned, let's go.
He's coming along nice and smooth.
Let's see.
This job's came a long way from the day it came through the door. It was in a bit of a bad one, but after 3-4 days spent on it, it's looking banging, and hopefully the customer's happy.
Right, we're done.
Come on.
Sorry.
Appreciate that, broski.
No worries. And that is it, people. Get home for 7:15. Left the house at 7:15 in the morning. So there's a day in the life. Make sure you drop a follow. I'll see you on the next one.